Now let us start with understanding the process to be followed for stock selection using technical analysis and fundamental analysis for long-term investment in the stock market. Technical analysis for long-term investment. Price trends. Focus on long-term price trends by analyzing monthly and weekly charts. Moving averages. Utilize long-term moving averages, e.g., 200-day, to identify the overall direction of the stock or index. Support and resistance. Identify significant support and resistance levels over extended periods to make informed investment decisions. MACD and RSI. Use MACD and RSI indicators to confirm trends and assess potential entry points for long-term investments. Volume analysis. Monitor trading volumes for long-term trends. Higher volumes often validate price movements. Chart patterns. Recognize long-term chart patterns like head and shoulders, double tops, and ascending triangles for forecasting. Backtesting. Test long-term strategies on historical data to evaluate their viability. Risk management. Implement stop-loss orders and position sizing strategies to protect long-term investments. Psychological factors. Consider investor sentiment and psychological factors that can influence long-term trends. Diversification. Apply technical analysis to create a diversified long-term portfolio across various sectors. Rebalancing. Periodically review and rebalance your long-term portfolio based on technical signals and changing market conditions. Fundamental analysis for long-term investment. Financial statements. Analyze a company's financial statements, including the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Profitability ratios. Assess profitability ratios like return on equity, ROE, and return on investment, ROI, to gauge a company's financial health. Valuation metrics. Use valuation metrics like price to earnings, P/A, ratio and price to book, P/B, ratio to determine if a stock is undervalued or overvalued. Earnings growth. Evaluate a company's historical and projected earnings growth to assess its long-term potential. Dividend history. Consider a company's dividend history and dividend yield for income-focused long-term investments. Industry analysis. Study the industry and sector trends in which the company operates to identify growth prospects. Competitive position. Assess a company's competitive position, market share, and competitive advantages, e.g., moats. Management quality. Evaluate the quality and track record of the company's management team. Economic indicators. Stay updated on macroeconomic factors and government policies that can affect long-term investments. Long-term trends. Consider long-term societal and demographic trends that may impact the industry or sector. Risk assessment. Identify and analyze risks, including regulatory, geopolitical, and industry-specific factors. Company news and events. Stay informed about company-specific news, events, and developments. Peer comparison. Compare the company's fundamental metrics with those of its peers to assess its relative strength. Sustainability and ESG factors. Consider environmental, social, and governance, ESG, factors for sustainable long-term investments. Long-term horizon. Maintain a patient, long-term investment horizon when following a fundamental analysis approach. Portfolio diversification. Diversify your long-term portfolio across different sectors and asset classes. Both technical analysis and fundamental analysis can complement each other in long-term investing. It's essential to have a well-rounded approach that considers both the technical and fundamental aspects of your investment decisions in the Indian stock market. I hope you must have got an idea for the process and the tools available for the selection of stocks for long-term investment. The steps and tools as explained will enable increase in the investment value and have long-term net worth for the investor. Subscribe and follow our channel for more updates related to stock market.